Using the css-selector to block entire li elements in iOS content blockers. Problem: select adjacent content for blocking in iOS. When creating a content blocker for iOS Safari, you might successfully target an img element using its attributes, such as an alt tag containing certain text. However, blocking only the image often leaves related adjacent content, such as links or text, still visible. In many cases, blocking the entire parent li element containing the image and the adjacent content is ideal. Challenge: cannot reliably use adjacent selectors if classes are randomized each page load. CSS selectors cannot directly select elements by their text content. Blocking the img alone may cause subsequent selectors to fail since the targeted element is removed. Modern solution: use the css-has pseudoclass. The css-has selector allows you to select an element based on whether it contains a child or descendant that matches a given selector. How to use it? To block the entire li that contains an img with an alt attribute including football, use. This selector targets all li elements that have an img descendant where the alt attribute contains the word football. Applying it in an iOS content blocker rule. Your content blocker JSON rule can be updated as benefits. Blocks the entire li including all nested content. Does not rely on classes that change dynamically. Simplifies blocking related content that is adjacent or nested. Browser support. As of iOS 16 and Safari 15.4+, the has pseudoclass is supported, making this approach ideal for modern content blocking. By embracing the has selector, you can reliably hide entire sections of content based on nested images or other elements, improving your iOS content blocker effectiveness with minimal complexity.